So yeah, putting together and taking apart a pen. There's something you can do when you're bored in school. Make sure you buy an extra pen. It needs to have this shape or it won't come apart. The thin plastic ones, they don't unscrew and crap like that. So, yeah. The first thing you want to do, I guess, is, you want to just take the pen and unscrew it in the middle. And then you get this long metal thing sticking out. You just want to take it out, and then if you empty this part out, you'll get a spring. So you have these three parts so far, and if you take a look at this, you can actually unscrew the thing that you're used to. So just, and also this thing will come out, this little plastic bit. It's really hard to get back in the pen, so it took me a couple times to figure it out, but yeah, and then the spring comes out. So you have these two hollow pieces of metal and pencil and stuff like that, and you don't want to screw them back, and then you don't want to screw them back on and insert the that like that. You can't do that. So unscrew it again, and you want to put the smaller spring right on the thing you start with, right on the ball, like right there, and then just put the thing back over it so you can actually see the thing come in and out. Then you just, once you're done with that, just put it aside. And what you want to do with this, instead of inserting this like this, you want to insert it like that. Then after that point, you can screw it back in here, and it'll just click into place. And you have this thing here. It's like a little white piece. Yeah, you see the little white piece in it? It's sticking out slightly. It's sticking out slightly. And you want to put the spring on top of it, so it's like that with the spring, and take the little push thing, jam it in as hard as you can, and then start twisting, and there you have it. Sorry guys, this is a really boring video anyways, but it's all I had time for today. I have to go somewhere. Yeah, I gotta catch my friends at the movies, so yeah. I'm sorry this video is way too long and boring for you to have to suffer another minute. This is all I had time for today, so check out my new fight video. I'll probably post another video, but whatever. Peace to the people.